kwa munini wa gavana kaunti-ini ya Siaya na kuria guthiete na mbere na gutogerio kuona ati nirathire na mbere na kunyitirira gituruo giake tuthi na mbere na Arigitani kuma thibitari-ini wa Nakuru level 4 hospital ni marikitie kuiga miro yao thiini kiria mugite ati kana ni kiria mugite ati thaini iria mandikanire oro hamwe na thirikari ni ciagite gukinyanira gukiri uguo ni mathiite na mbere na gutetia maundu matiganite na maria mugite ati maingi ni maria meranire na gukinyiria riu matire mahinga mundu gwitwo ti Duncan Kagera ni aratariria.
Atugati ya arwaru thibitari-ini ya Nakuru level 4 ni marũrũnganĩte magitetia thirikari ya kaunti ĩno ni kwaga gũkinyanĩria ũrĩa maiguithanirie thutha wa kwĩrutĩra gũtungatĩra mũingĩ hĩndĩ ya COVID-19 na hĩndĩ ya mũgomo wa Arigitani.
Nurses, doctors, clinical officers and clerks. We have been working in this hospital for over 5 years now. We have worked in this hospital during COVID. Some of us have gotten COVID. We have taken medications. And we have also worked in this hospital during the strike. So what has been going on is when the governor, Susan Kihika, was appointed into office, she came to our facility and she promised us one thing. She said that all of us as the hospital contracted staff, we are all going to be absorbed under permanent and pensionable. She gave us a 3-month contract, which is now ending. And instead of permanent and pensionable, what we are receiving right now is termination of contracts. We are being told that as from 30th, which is end of this month, we are supposed to take our termination letters and go home.
Arigitani ni matetetie uria ruhonge ruru ruratongorio ku bururi-ini makiuga mũrwaru ni wekuhinyĩrĩrĩka makiria.
Healthcare staffs in general, the state of healthcare in this country, in this Kenya of ours, is at stake. The way things are being run, this is not the kind of life that we are supposed to be living. If the healthcare is going to down on its knees, then what is the community going to undergo? This state is total mental torture to our staffs. You can imagine the number of people that this hospital cares. The surrounding community relies on this hospital. We are like the referral center of this hospital. Now tell me, where are we going to get the services that are supposed to be given?
Thirikari ya kaunti ĩno ĩtongotio nĩ Governor Susan Kihika nĩ ĩrĩga kwĩrĩra Arigitani aya kwandĩka na kandathi ya ihinda iraihu ũndũ ũrĩa marĩgwo nĩ wĩingĩrĩtio ũteti.
Susan, you have taken this issue politically. Yes. And it should not be taken politically because you cannot politicize our sick people in the hospitals. You cannot do politics with the lives of people. When you are sending more than 250 nurses, doctors, clerks and all that home, it means 500 people will have mental illness.
Kirifotera Muthiki TV, yakwa ni Kagera, wa Giteru.